Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I wish you all are healthy. I, Priyanka Jaiswal, is again here for you. In this video, we are going to study about continents and oceans. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the continent. What is continent? The large mass of land on the earth are called continents. You can see the large area. You can see the large mass of land, very large area of land, okay, are known as continent. And what is ocean? Very large water bodies shown in blue color are called water bodies. These are the water bodies, very large water bodies, okay. Now the question is, how many continents are there and how many oceans are there? So first we will discuss about the continents. After that we will discuss ocean, okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many continents we have? How many continents are there? 7 continents. Okay. So first is Asia. You can see area wise it is largest continents. Okay. Asia is the largest and most populous continents with more than 4 billion people. Okay, it is largest continent. You can see area wise it is largest. Then Africa. Second is Africa. Second largest and most populous continent with 54 countries. 54 countries. That is Africa. And do you know longest river Nile is in Africa. Third is North America. Third one is North America. North America is the third largest continent with 23 countries. How many countries? 23 countries. Okay. And Niagara Fall is in North America. Okay. And fourth is South America. You can see fourth one. South America with 12 countries. With 12 countries. It is home of world largest waterfall, that is Angel Fall. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one is Antarctica. It is covered with snow. It is coldest continents and it is home of white penguin. Okay. And sixth one is Europe. Sixth one is Europe. It is third most populous continent with 50 countries. With 50 countries. Okay. And the last, seventh, Australia. It is smallest continent. Largest is Asia and smallest is Australia. It is smallest continent. Okay, dear students. Now how you can learn the name of these continents? How? There is a word Sena. Sena 3. Okay. You can remember with the name of Sena 3. South for S for South America, E for Europe, N for North America, A for Asia. There are 3 A's. Asia and third are Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Okay. And there is a sentence for remembering the continents. Okay. Do you like apples? I like apples. So what is the sentence? Sentence is always eat an apple, says a nurse. Okay. Always eat an apple, says a nurse. Now what does it means? Always A. Asia. Eat E. Europe. And Antarctica. Apple A. Africa. Says S. South America. South America. Okay. And A for Africa. No. Australia. and North, N for North America. So always remember this sentence, always eat an apple, says a nurse. A for Asia, E for Europe, A for Antarctica, A for Africa, S for South America, A for Australia, and North, N for North America. Okay, dear students, I hope you all understood about the continents. Now we will discuss about the ocean. How many oceans? Let's count. Pacific Ocean, 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Southern Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. And Arctic Ocean, 5. So there are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, this is 1 ocean. Okay. So there are 5 oceans. Now how can we will learn this 5 ocean name? I'll tell you later. First we will discuss. First one is Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean. Okay. Second is Atlantic Ocean. It lies between Europe and America. Europe and North America. It lies between Europe and America. Third is Indian Ocean, or third is Southern Ocean. Okay. Southern Ocean is here. And fourth one is Indian Ocean. Indian, it is the name of after India. Okay. And fifth is Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean. It is lies in North Pole. As we know, we have 4 main direction: north, east, here south, and west. Okay. So Arctic Ocean, it is the smallest ocean, and Pacific is the largest ocean. Okay. So how can you will learn? You remember a word that is PAISA. P-A-I-S-A. PAISA. P for Pacific Ocean. A for Atlantic. I for Indian. S for Southern Ocean. Okay. And A for Arctic Ocean. Okay, dear students. So for the name of ocean, you can remember PAISA, and for the continents, SENA 3, and a sentence, always eat an apple, says a nurse. I hope, dear students, you all understood about the continents and ocean. Thank you and have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.